below the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Radiant Foundation. The color that I am wearing is Mombasa number 415. What I like about the foundation so far is that it comes with a nozzle top, which is always a plus. There's a light fragrance to it, a light smell. The consistency of it is medium. This is a buildable coverage foundation, which feels very good on the skin. So if you want to see how I apply this foundation and my thoughts on this foundation, then continue to watch. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Before any foundation application, I like to start off with a moisturized face, and I also added my makeup primer. This is the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Natural Radiance Foundation. It retails for $23 and is available in 33 shades. The color I have is Mombasa. It is number 415. With this high performance hybrid formula that delivers a buildable, medium to full coverage, it claims to give the skin a natural radiant finish. It is lightweight. It melts into the skin without weighing it down, and is easy and blendable with a non-cakey finish. I like the coverage. It really does look like my skin complexion, and it is very lightweight. And I'm going to build the coverage up. I'm going to add some more foundation to make it a full coverage face. So this is my face after applying my setting powders, and now I'm going to use my setting spray. I'm just going to tap that setting spray into my skin, and I love the outcome. Look how natural it looks. It gives me a nice glow. It doesn't feel heavy, and it does not look heavy. So if you have tried the I Am Magic Natural Radiance Foundation by Juvia's Place, leave me a comment below in the comment box. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.